Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Our reason to celebrate, our reason to time, our reason to enjoy. Good company, one. Good evening, brothers and sisters. Kumusta po ang bawat isa? Okay na. O sige, samagsak tayo. Long live Alpha Kaparo! Long live Jufair Chapter! Long live Omega Psi Chapter! Long live brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service to all.
Long live!
Oh, long live tayo. Long live! Kailangan talaga yung energies mo na i-warm up ang bawat isa. Once again, good evening, brothers and sisters. Welcome to the much anticipated Alpha Kaparo 53rd Founding Anniversary Celebration. And we are live here at Majestic Hotel near Jufair. We would like to acknowledge our two chapters, the Jufair and the Omega Psi chapter. Palakpakan mo dyan! By the way, my name is Jose Stanley, and I will be your host for tonight's event. And now, I would love to feel everybody's energy and excitement. How about we can start this lovely program with a big round of applause. Parinig naman ang isang malakas na malapakan na may kasamang hinawan. Parang kulang para sa likod, magpalapakan na may kasamang hinawan. Lahat tayo, magpalapakan na may kasamang hinawan. Brothers and sisters, I am loving the energy. Tonight, we proudly celebrate the 53 years of Alpha Kaparo of our two chapters, the Jufair and Omega Psi chapters. A remarkable journey built on the enduring values of brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service. As we commemorate this milestone, let us honor the vision and dedication of our founders, pioneers, and every member who has contributed to the strengthening of our fraternity through the years. Palakpakan mo dyan! Their commitment has laid the foundation for generations of our step-brons to continue serving with integrity, unity, and respect. May this anniversary inspire us to remain uphold, united, and continue making a positive impact in our communities. Together, let us strengthen the bands of brotherhood, support one another, and carry forward the legacy of Alpha Kaparo with pride and honor. Palakpakan naman kayo ulit! May the next chapters of our journey be marked by greater unity, stronger leadership, and unwavering commitment to our ideals. Happy 53rd Founding Anniversary, Alpha Kaparo! Of the Jufair and Omega Psi chapters, led by Jufair chapter, we have GS or Grand Esquetron Yeye. Jufair chapter, we also have from the Omega Psi chapter, Christopher Son or GS Christopher Son. At Milaw, palakpakan mo dyan! Isang bagsak ulit tayo. Long live Alpha Kaparo! Long live Jufair chapter! Long live Omega Psi chapter! Long live brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service to all! Long live! So before we dive into the festivities, brothers and sisters, let us acknowledge our distinguished guests for tonight. First of all, let's give it up for His Excellency, Ambassador Ines Jaime Ricardo D. Galiaga of the Republic of the Philippines to the Kingdom of Bahrain. We also have Miss Annette Avila. We also have the Regional Governor for the Bahrain local region of the Fraternal Order of Eagles. Let's hear for Architect Ruben Jr. Wailangidaw. We also have the representative from Al Hilal Hospital, namely Mr. Faisal Khan, the branch head of Al Hilal Sitra, Mr. Gokul Krishna, marketing head of Al Hilal Sitra branch, and the last, Fatima or Miss Fatima Ladin or Ladin Mendoza from SSS. Father Jamester Atwood Aradia, our little hope or Olo Bahrain. And now, brothers and sisters, may we request everyone to please all rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.